It's payback time. Mabizela went to Mandla's church and demanded cell phones and money from the church during a service. Thandi was to they're on the run, but the hitman Jackson is on to them, already firing gunshots at them. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Martha sat with Gaise and Pilile, explaining to Gaise that you cannot stay at the hotel. You have to stay here. This is your home. Pilile apologized to Gaise, but Gaise afuni kuzwa lutho. And then she confronted her parents with how Nina, why Fanyana misses home, he needs to come back here. And then Fanyana goes to church. Kulman Babak is like, please come to the house after church. Uzoli dinner as a family. Hi, and then Upilile talks to the church ladies, telling them that she cannot continue the lawn shark business anymore because Umabizela threatened them. But the ladies are like, we're going to be stranded. We need the money. You know what, we just need to learn to manage our money as well. But when I'm sure you're married, you have a man that you rely on, a man who's taking care of you. Tina, we don't have that. And then service that. Mabizela Pluto. Nabantu bakhe in balaclavas, shooting guns, pointing guns at them, shooting at the top. Bengasathukile ibandla. Petuna fell on the floor. Umabizela takes the Bible and just shaking up everyone, saying that keep animals in your monies and cell phones. And then Mandla realizes they were sure my daughter. Apologizes to Umabizela and you and your wife, you know how much business I lost because of you. And we are this highlight of your wife to continue the business. Ati, please don't call my wife that. You cannot call my wife that. Umabizela wati. We are sangana wena, and then hit him on the head with his gun. Wawela pasi Mandla. Pilile is there trying to comfort the husband, trying to see if he's okay. Imagine in front of their kids, Ukaise and Ofanyana. They were so shaken. Everyone was just scared. The church was just scared. And then Batata guys into and they left. Thandi swage no Zwele to the on the run. Ulero is worried with her. Why you hamba Masinya? So what's going on? Can you just be honest with me? What's really going on? No, we'll talk later. Bahambe Martha's like, are you sure who's going to be able to deliver this job? Jackson, yes, I trust him. Caesar and I were using him before, and he's good at what he does. And then they're on the way, and then they start to realize there's someone that's following us. There's a car that's following us. Can't tell a hitman got Jackson. And then this guy speeds and just when he's just parallel with them, he starts shooting at them. Tonight keep his balance. They start shooting at each other. Now turn yourself singile so that he does not catch a bullet because now should be. And then is like, there's a gun next to you, please take it and use it if you have to. Now they're shaking what exactly is going on here? Hi, Asaz was if this guy is going to kill them for real or what. And then Umamiki gets support from her friends. They just reassure her they're there for her. Leroy is the gay uncle. And the other two are also going like, we're not like they're all there to support him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.